Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In the previous class, we discussed concept of intelligence, means IQ, types and theories. In today's class, we will study another very important topic which is personality, its meaning, types and theories. Understanding personality helps teachers understand students' behavior and individual differences. So, let us begin today's session. Every individual is unique. This uniqueness is called personality. Personality affects behavior, thinking, emotions, interaction with others. Understanding personality helps teachers understand students better. Personality refers to the total pattern of behavior, thoughts, and emotions of an individual. It includes physical traits, mental abilities, emotional patterns, social behavior. Personality makes a person different from others. Definitions of personality. Gordon Allport. Personality is the dynamic organization of psychological systems within an individual. Woodworth. Personality is the total quality of an individual behavior. Types of personality. First, introvert. Introvert is quiet and reverse, prefers to be alone, thinks deeply. Second, extrovert. Extrovert is social and outgoing, enjoys interaction, active and talkative. Third, ambivert. Ambivert is a combination of introvert and extrovert, balanced personality. Trait theory, Allport. Gordon Allport proposed trait theory. According to this theory, personality is made up of traits, means stable characteristics, types of traits, cardinal traits, central traits, secondary traits. Type theory. Type theory classified personality into categories, for example, introvert, extrovert, ambivert. It focuses on grouping individuals based on behavior patterns. Freud's psychoanalyst theory. Sigmund Freud proposed psychoanalytic theory, structure of personality, ID, instinct and desires, ego, reality-based thinking, superego, moral values. This theory explains inner conflicts and behavior. Humanistic theory. Humanistic psychologists like Carl Rogers focused on self-concept, personal growth, self-acquisition. This theory emphasizes positive development of personality. Factor, Factors affecting personality. Personality is influenced by heredity, environment, family, culture, education. Personality develops through interaction of these factors. Role of teacher. Teacher should understand individual differences, encourage positive behavior, provide supportive environment, help in personality development. A teacher plays a key role in shaping students' personality. Educational implications. Teachers should promote confidence, encourage participation, respect individuality, support emotional development. This helps in overall personality development of students. Important CTET points. Personality is equal to behavior plus thoughts plus emotions. Types: introvert, extroverts, ambivert. Freud, ID, ego, superego. Allport, triad theory. This point frequently asked in a seated exams. So, in today's class, we discuss personality, its types and major theories. We learn how personality affects behavior and how teachers can support students' personality development. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in the CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss adjustment and mental health, another important CTET topic. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next class.